Good morning, students. Today's topic is methods of the organization. So, how to organize a business? There are different types of the methods. So, we are going to read different methods of organization of business. So, concentrate yourself. So, first method is product-based organization. One way in which businesses can be organized is on product basis. Organizing on a product basis allows businesses to specialize. Each company has expertise in manufacturing a specific range of the products. This type of the organization also increases accountability. Each subsidiary has to account for how it is performing. It gives the management and workers an incentive to perform better. It helps the management of a business to identify those parts of the business which are doing well and those doing less well. It can then make decisions based on this information. The next method to organize a business is functional organization. Some businesses organize by function, that is, into a number of the departments such as production department, marketing department, and personnel department, etc. This type of the organization has two important advantages. Number one, it allows specialization because each department will do their own work and they are not linked with the work of the other department. The structure of the organization is clear. Workers know who to turn to when they need a job done. However, there are drawbacks which can lead to diseconomies of scale. This is where average cost of the production rise as business size increases. The number one drawback of organizing a business on functional based, the number one disadvantage is the organization may become too large to manage effectively because organization is divided into departments. So definitely organization has become more large. Management may find it difficult to influence what is happening lower down the organization. Individual departments may become more interested in promoting their own interest rather than those of the business. They may not want to work together on new projects. The next disadvantage may be the whole organization may become too bureaucratic, with departments expecting outsiders to fill in forms and reports if they need help instead of just giving them help. So these are the disadvantages of this type of organization. The next type of the organization is geographical organization. Some large companies are organized on a regional basis. For instance, all the businesses in the North America might be organized into a North American division. Companies which organize themselves on a geographical basis may sell a fairly narrow range of the products because they are working in a narrow area, so that's why they will sell a narrow range of the product. Next is, it then makes sense for operations in a region to cooperate with each other. They can, for instance, share their knowledge about the market in the region, its economic environment, and government regulations. Because they are working in a narrow area, they will have more knowledge about the local market, about the economic environment, and about the government regulations. And this knowledge can be used by the other departments of the business. Next method of the organization is market-based organization. Some businesses are organized on a market basis. For instance, a publisher might have a number of the divisions such as education and technical. Books will be produced by one division. However, the same book might be included in sales catalogs of other divisions. It might even be sold under a different title by another division if it thinks this will improve the sales. Next topic in the next method of the organization of business is centralization. A type of the business organization where decisions are made at the center or core of the organization and then passed down the chain of the command. Deciding on objectives for the whole company and working out strategies to achieve them is done from the center. Common systems and procedures are laid down so the economies of the scale can be maximized. The problem with centralized organization is that they can be slow to make decisions and respond to the need of the market because there are normally a lot of layers in the hierarchy system of this kind of the organization. So decision making may be very slow.